what's up guys, it's Flex and welcome back. So in my last Audi A4 video, I installed some brand new 19-inch wheels and I super wrapped them a really cool onyx black. Well, I let somebody borrow my car, they ran over a pothole, I needed 2 tires replaced, and of course, the wheel shop that installed the new tires ruined the super wrap that was on the 2 wheels. Aww. So I ended up peeling off the super wrap on those 2 wheels. I was gonna spray them again, but it's just so cold here in Massachusetts. It's just not a really good idea, and it probably won't be a really good job. So what I did was I also peeled off the other side. It came off really easy. Any of the spots that I sprayed a little thin, I just used a pressure washer and it came right off. So now the wheels are back to polish, which is actually not too bad after I look at the car. It actually looks pretty good with the polished wheels. So now that the wheels are bare, it's about time I installed the custom caliper covers that I received from MGP Caliper Covers while I was down in San Diego back in October. Yes, I already have caliper covers on this Audi A4, but I definitely want to go with a new color, and I think this blue is going to look so good on this car. Let me show you the covers and you guys let me know your thoughts. Well, here they are guys, my custom set of caliper covers. So this is a custom blue. How cool does that look? And of course, I got my Flex logo in the front, filled in gloss black. For the back, I have the S-Line logo. And of course, these are all high-grade aluminum, really good quality. The fitment is amazing, and it comes with the clips, it comes with the instruction guide, and it also comes with the feeler gauge. So, I'm excited. Let's get these on the car now. Okay, so I think they look really dope and I can't wait to get them on this car. So now let me remove the old covers. It's been about 18 months so you guys can see what it looks like. And then we'll slap on the cool new blue covers. So here's the current caliper cover. Everything looks good. There's no issues. It's on nice and tight. It's just held on by 2 nuts that I need to remove, and then I'll show you the inside of it. So here's the caliper cover removed. Here are the 2 clips holding it in place. Again, it's super clean, no issues. And on the inside, it's fairly clean. It has a little bit of brake dust, but that's pretty normal. I mean, overall, it looks awesome. Here's the thing. So my caliper, everyone's asking, why won't you just paint it? I mean, if you look at the quality of this caliper, it's super rough. I mean, there's no amount of paint that's going to save this or make it even look remotely good. And people are also asking, why won't you powder coat it? Well, powder coating is a lot of work and a lot of money. So I would need a shop to take this off the car, completely pull it apart, then I'll take the caliper to a powder coat place. They're going to have to powder coat it, and it's going to cost a lot of money in a few days. And then I have to take it back to the shop for them to reassemble it, put it back on the car, bleed the system, and all that is a lot of time and a lot of money. To be honest, I'd rather just put a cover on it. And here's the thing about a cover. Let's say that I powder coated this blue. Now it's kind of permanently blue and it cost me an arm and a leg. If I go to try to sell this car, and let's say that person or most people don't like blue calipers, I'm kind of out of luck unless I go and pay more money to get it redone. I'd rather just keep it like this because I know I'm eventually going to sell this Audi A4, so I'm just going to style it with some covers. So now let's go ahead. I'm going to clean this up a bit, and then I'm going to stick the blue covers on. So here's the new caliper. It looks awesome. I just loosened up these 2 10mm nuts, put it against the caliper. Now I'm going to slide the clip on. Okay, those on pretty good. Now, I'm gonna grab my 10mm socket, tighten down those two nuts. So next I'm going to grab the feeler gauge. This is just to make sure there's clearance between the rotor and the clip. If it slides freely, there's a nice gap and I'm good to go. If it didn't slide freely, I'll just grab a flathead screwdriver, pry up on the clip and just make sure there's a gap between that and the rotor. So now all I need to do is put the wheel on, spin it around, make sure it doesn't hit the caliper or anything else, and then I can go ahead and work on the back. So here's the rear caliper cover. Again, looks great. A little dirty, but that's fine. I'm gonna take off the two 10mm nuts, get this off, and put the blue one on. There it is, guys, the blue caliper covers with the polished wheels. I think it looks awesome. Check this out. When the sun hits it, ooh, that looks good. And the good thing I like about this is it's different. It's not just a standard red. Ooh, that looks so good. Look at that. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I'm surprised. I actually really like the way these wheels look polished, especially with my paint and with the black accents that I've already done to the car. Looks pretty dope. I like it. I like the way it looks. I really like the blue with the polished wheels and just everything I've done to the car. It's a really unique look. I don't know, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And again, thank you to MGP Caliper Covers. Definitely go check them out in the link in the description below. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.